Welcome to DBDA Solutions. Are you an HR manager struggling with complex payroll calculations, confusing salary structures, and endless manual adjustments? Payroll is one of the most critical parts of any business, but it doesn't have to be stressful. That's why we created Payroll Management System. Our solution is designed to simplify the entire payroll process, whether it's creating components, linking them with attendance, writing formulas, or generating salary slips. Everything becomes fast, accurate, and fully automated. Let's begin with payroll components. Payroll components are the building blocks of every salary calculation, covering both earnings and deductions. Without components, payroll has no structure, so this is always the very first step. In our software, creating a component is simple and straightforward. All you need to do is go to the Salary Component section and click on New. From here, you can define whether this component is an earning or a deduction. Once saved, these components become reusable building blocks. You can just link them to different salary structures later. As you can see here on screen, with just a few clicks, we have created a payroll component that will automatically integrate into the employee's salary structure. Before we move on to creating a salary structure, let's take a moment to understand the difference between blue-collar and white-collar employee structures. Every organization has a diverse workforce. Blue-collar employees usually work in operations, manufacturing, or field jobs. Their salaries are often based on daily wages, hourly rates, attendance, or overtime, sometimes even including shift allowances. White-collar employees, on the other hand, generally hold administrative or professional roles. Their pay is mostly monthly, with a fixed structure that includes components like basic salary, allowances, and performance incentives. In our payroll management software, both blue-collar and white-collar salary structures are created and maintained separately. This way, you can confidently manage payroll for both groups. Once the components are ready, the next step is to create a salary structure. With our payroll management software, this process is quick, structured, and easy to follow. For white-collar employees, click on Salary Structure, create a new structure, give it a name, and start adding the components you've already defined. For example, you may add Basic and HRA under Earnings, and PF, ESI, or Professional Tax under Deductions. Each component can either have a fixed value or be calculated dynamically using formulas, offering complete flexibility. For blue-collar employees, the process is just as simple. Click on Salary Structure, create a new one, name it, and add the relevant components. Since the user interface is almost identical for both categories, you won't face any confusion. This flexibility allows you to set up advanced rules, such as percentages of basic pay, attendance-based calculations, or even conditional deductions. For instance, blue-collar employees can have attendance-linked or hourly-based pay, while white-collar employees can have fixed monthly salaries with allowances and incentives. Are you finding it difficult to create formulas for each salary component? To solve this challenge, our payroll management software comes with a built-in formula builder tool that makes the entire process simple and error-free. Want to calculate HRA as a percentage of basic pay? Just select the percentage logic and select the component and enter the percentage. Once it is done, click on Insert and Save Formula. Need to apply an if-else condition, such as applying a deduction only if the salary exceeds a certain limit. The builder makes it effortless. This approach gives you flexibility and control, and it also saves valuable time. Once a formula is built, it can be reused across multiple structures without rewriting it again and again. Now, once the formulas are defined, the next big question is, how do you know they're correct? That's where our Test Formula feature comes in. Simply click on the Test Formula button, enter a base value, and the system will automatically calculate each component according to the formulas you've applied. With this testing feature, you can clearly see how much is being added under earnings, how much is deducted, and what the final net salary looks like, all before running payroll. Instead of manually tracking working days or overtime, the system seamlessly pulls attendance data from within the software. Once attendance is recorded, whether through biometric devices or manual entry, salaries are automatically calculated based on actual days worked, overtime, hours, and leaves taken. This automation minimizes errors, saves valuable HR time, and ensures employees are paid accurately for the work they perform. Once your salary structure is finalized, the next step is to generate salary slips for employees, and in our software, this is incredibly simple. For white-collar employees, salary structures can be systematically assigned, making it easy to maintain consistently across roles and departments. For blue-collar employees, the system focuses on quickly generating accurate salary slips, ensuring they get a clear record of their monthly earnings without manual effort. With just a click, professional and detailed salary slips are automatically prepared. These slips neatly display every earning, deduction, and the final net pay, presented in a clean format that employees can quickly understand. For blue-collar employees, salary slips will be directly assigned to employees within the system, ensuring that each person receives their individual payslips securely. Whether you want to share them digitally, download them, or print them for distribution, the process is seamless and efficient. Since attendance can be linked to the salary structure, the system automatically adjusts calculations for working days, overtime, and leaves. By combining salary structures, attendance data, and automated salary slip generation, the entire payroll process becomes transparent and error-free. With just a single click on Salary Register, you can instantly access a consolidated view of all salary slips that have been generated. Instead of manually opening slips one by one, the Salary Register provides a complete report in a structured format. And that's how easy payroll management becomes with DBDA Solutions payroll management software. From creating salary components and designing structures, even linked with attendance, to writing formulas, testing them, and generating professional-looking salary slips, the entire process is automated and error-free. With our solution, you save time, minimize mistakes, and empower your HR team to focus on what truly matters. Thank you so much.